Hello friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to start a new playlist on capital software, and here I'm just explaining what the things I'm going to cover. Okay, so here on the interface you can see this is the capital library over here, and actually the capital software for the wire harness routing, there are different uh, segments over there, as this is the capital library, and I will show you yeah, simply after opening this capital software, you will see this capital launcher over here, and simply click on this launcher, and then you have to just click on the restore. Then we will see the different segments like that. Click on the restore, and in this window you can see these are different segments of the capital software over here, and this uh, I will cover how to create the symbols in capital library, then how to create the capital symbols over there, and by using these library data of the electrical wire connectors, I will create a capital harness drawing. Okay, and before creating the capital harness drawing in this XC, there will be capital logic also. So I will try to cover the capital logic also. Okay, so first of all, now I will show you some interfaces of these different segments. If you click on this capital library, capital symbol, harness X, and capital logic one time, after that you will get different window for different segments. Like there is a separate specific window for capital library there. For capital symbol there is a specific window. I will show you. Yeah, here you can see this is the capital library. Here you can create all the electrical components, connectors, wires, and what you can say, different options is there. And here you can add the symbols for that created electrical components. If I created any part number in capital library, then I have to create the symbol for the same part number. Here is the example, one of the example. Okay, and next, yeah, and this is the example of the logic. Here is the simple logic over here, capital logic we can call it. And next, this is the capital harness 6C. Okay, this is the final drawing, and we have example with this, we have this connector here, one wire is go, one connection we have shown on over here, and this is a 3-pin connector with the table. These two wire I have routed over here, black GXL, and these are the wire circuit IDs, and this is the symbol I created by using the graphics, or you can use the whole and accurate insertion views of the connectors. Actual DXIP or actual graphic of that component you can use same that one. Okay, now, okay, this is all about this. So in this playlist I will cover all this one by one in short videos. So kindly subscribe the channel, and please kindly share this to your friends who are doing job or who wanted to switch to the design field. This is the very best opportunity to you. Thank you for watching this video.